Greetings, greetings. Yes, season greetings. As you see how me hype. And this sun real bright. So you know say me nice. It's Rastafari Soldier. Yeah, Day Approach TV. More life, more joy, more happiness. Yeah, me in at the place. Me dep on the place. It is not really my base, but the Kingston City. Norman Manley Airport. Look here. You hear what me I talk about? I'm more life and I'm more joy, people. We touch a rock stone. A Gideon. Me can't go too long because I'm not blight up a cliff yet still, you know. So I'm more life and I'm more joy and I'm more happiness. Remember it's Rastafari Soldier, yeah. Day Approach Steve. Tell you say me a reach and make you know say me there. Well, me there, yeah. Grandma and Papa. Yeah, we still live out here, you know. Live out here at the airport. And really, me just want to make you know say, yeah, me a full joy as cliff right here, so. Yeah, full joy as cliff. And if I never for my general over there, so we won't have it. So, want to know, say when I come down here, and if you just cool and settle, I know say everything is, yeah, boiling water in a kettle. It's Rastafari Soldier, I'm still here, Jamaica. I'm still at the airport actually, I haven't got a ride yet, but I'm gonna be alright. Because I'm not worried, because I'm up on the ground. Everything crisp and curry. Yeah, me get a cliff already. So big up on yourself already. Yeah, bless. Hey there, family. Just come on for the next foot, you know? Yeah. Leaving the airport and now finally. About 3 o'clock, you know. Oh, greetings, Empress. But I didn't think for your face, but we were. You know, come here, rush. I got a nice one and I feel good. Yes. You know. See there. Yeah. But I'm tired. I'm kind of happy, I'm overwhelmed. Feeling good right now because I'm finally there here. But I can't tell you no lie. It's been a long day. You know, I travel from like 3 o'clock. I'm sorry. I travel from 7 o'clock this morning. My brother come on me on. See? So, I just get to a levels. Yeah, just a level. So I leave the airport now, see? Next first, me up on express. Big old bus. I want one pretty girl up on the bus. Yeah. Yeah, I hope it's kind of King Kong of bus this. That's fun. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful Jamaica people. Yeah. backdrop. Yeah. Greetings in the name of the Most High. Highly. Selassie I the First. You know I'm Rastafari Soldier. Bless, 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 no curse. Ladies and gentlemen, as you see, I'm in Jamaica. I am on the rock, giving you an explicit look at the topographical feature in the background. Remember, I said, if you want natural shots, meaning drinks, or even video, or even the real copper and lead, it's Jamaica. So you know all your men. It's Rastafari Soldier. Yeah, I'm on the ground, on the rock. That's a fact. More life, more joy. Yo, subscribe, like, and share that. Yeah, up there, up there, up there. Yeah, Rastaman rise again. You see people, you see how Jamaica pretty. I'm not gone nowhere yet. Yeah. Me not gone nowhere yet. Yeah, look on the hilltop. Eat out your heart. Jamaica is beautiful. Red, green, and gold. That's what I say, Rastafari. Boom. More life. Over and out. Young people want to share this up. Young want people to see how beautiful Jamaica is. You see how the background look. People want to make people know say, yo, Jamaica, they are fair, and I don't know, have to help invest and build up it. See? We have to build it up, because we have to build up other people's country, and we have to make sure we prepare it for the future, for the youth them. That's our thing. And them are the fruits then. Yeah, bless up on yourself. Yeah, bless up on yourself. Do not stress up on yourself. You know I'm Rastafari Soldier. Yeah, and you're watching Hebrews TV. Yeah, if you want to hear the truth, beautiful, beautiful place for the little boys. Yeah, you know the truth. Jamaica. one giant I'm a bucket so I'm raised down so I can probably knock it. Yeah. Greetings, 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 family. I saw me at travel right now, you know. Zin, big up yourself, my families and friends in New York, Zin, in Florida. Listen, people want to fly down, want to go up online and check out the Knockford Express, you know. And you don't have to tell nobody say you got a yard. Yeah, it's a reliable transportation system. So I'm more life, remember it's Rastafari Soldier. I am here in Jamaica, still in Kingston right now, New Kingston, trying to get you if you get down to St. Elizabeth. Big up yourself, all the farmer. You know it's the Rasta man. Yeah, YouTube. Big up on yourself, people. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. May I bring it straight, yeah, right in through on the Knoxford Express. Straight out of foreign, yeah. And we reach back down a yard, yeah. You see it? We big up ourselves, we bless up ourselves, and yeah, we're there. So remember, it's Rastafari Soldier, yeah, of Deep Roads TV. Yeah, more life and more joy and more happiness. Yeah. Alright, family, we are knock it again, you know, our movements again, you know. As you see, me eye them red. That means my braid got fed. So, wanna big up on yourself and go and subscribe. Stay safe out there. Make sure you wear your facial covering anywhere you go. Make sure, say, you social distance. You know, clean off your hand, washing it however you do it. I and I, man, prefer rinsing it off. But sometimes, you know, it's not possible at the time, but social distance. I'm moving on from my location out of New Kingston right now. And, you know, I'll be in Mandeville. So I'm gonna bring you along. So stay tuned. Share up the files then. Leave your comment. Remember again, it's your favorite Rasta man, Rastafari Soldier. So bless up yourself. Don't stress up yourself. And they approach TV, because if you want to hear the truth, the Rasta man is on the rock right now. Yeah, Jah, make ya. More life, more life. I think some American and Canadian work. You see me I say? One thing we realize, you see, Jamaica, it's sell. I work at the same time. You understand? I go back up and have a couple of things that I'm editing people on the transporting work I go on and I make you know say Jamaica with everything full. Everything I find. I tell you everything I find. If I go with your man and just get the answer you have to leave. You have to go and just get them and buy it. And then I find out, I have to go to the come down here. No, let me go get approval. Don't do that now, do that. Yeah. No longer me travel with that. The people are showing me say I'm a mastermind the thing. Yeah? No, I know half way. What do you want? Sometimes I come down here and I ball $100. I go and jam close to where I'm from. I first never go to it. That's a joke. So yeah, where I'm from. Jamaica. So, you know what, I love Jamaica, just go and dig up the anyway, they are you alone to this? That real Rasta, real Jamaican. Yeah, why am I touching on my belly full? And my head feel full. Up full. Pick up yourself, blacks. Come, blacks, pick up yourself, up full. Yeah. They approach TV, Rastafari Soldier. Go on, buy back here. Go on, different buses. Okay. I said, I come up for morning time, I mean, they look at the airport road. Okay. And then go back to me. Well, you see, the reason why I'm forward back up here, man, and I jump on it, jump on it actually again, you know? Are available for supply chain management, which is in the distribution field. And here, I just met this great driver right here from, you know, the courier that's carrying me, and they must show me say, you know, we can pick up things parish to parish. And what a great thing. So you see them names, Knox Ford with a K, Knots Ford Express. So families, if you have something that you want to ship parish to parish in Jamaica, you have to check them out. And even if you have travel parish to parish and you want to move express, that's the person. Because I just find out about them, and right now I just found a new friend. I mean, I tell you straight up. Yeah, anytime if he's gadgetated, I want to be cool, I jump on the Natford Express. See? Me gone, because them are the best. Sit back in the chair and just rest. Listen, the AC cold and the music fresh. Yes. What am I saying? Remember people TV, Rastafari Soldier, more like more and more. Not be less, I mean less. Yes. I want them to shop them a commercial and send them it. Yeah. Give them that one day again. Yes. Be blessed. Remember say women, we stress. We jump on the Knoxford Express. We move from parish to parish, you know, from country to town and same place. Yes. Right, you know, I make them know say, yo, that's it fresh, because Rastafari show you up in the desk. Listen, yeah. Listen up, yes. You don't have to sit down up and coop up, wait and stress. Anytime you feel so stressed, you jump on the Knoxford Express. Move from Galdiville up to St. Place. No, that's the best, yeah. Just find out the parishes them and link them in. And that's how we do it, you know, everything clean. Yeah. I'll just them 45 seconds in them email box. Yeah, and then block them on the line. And a bit of them thing that more have, you know?
Oh, listen, don't worry about it. If you need me to have a conversation, I'm happy to.
Come on.
I agree.
Real life cases.
There's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, because you see the organization that's what you're doing. So I mean, don't sell, don't give away the milk for free. Talk about it when it comes to reality, right?
From men on the Oxford Express, down at even from the east going to the west, going straight into the sun. And the driver going to me and tell me like, I take the time and I go in. So like when I come through and one of me I try broke their neck. I'm gonna care if they broke them neck, my neck, me no want broke. Yes sir. That's how you go. Yeah. Or a beat off too, Yeah. I remember we there on the next street, Bless up yourself. So the man in my bike, they lost some ital look while and the driver drop too, Yes I give them the seat. Give thanks. I saw it stay people. And the realest, I come in for. And we all chant down Babylon with it naturally. Yeah. Don't show me when I power out, me all plant it and then take it. Yeah. I'm going to open it up. Because this is like one of the pride and joy. Yeah.
Like a little boys and girls, man. Bossy open, bossy to open. Look like a big, yo, look here. Like a motor fuck, we can't say loaded, you know. You know, this is one of the great things them. We will come down to Jamaica fights, may I say, as a Rasta man, deal with it properly to make you see, you know? Right. See, and it warm in the brown paper. I'm not telling no lie, I'm try to give you a good shot, but I don't want to spill one green, one. The golden, precious gold of Jamaica. Peanut. I'm telling you.
I want to name power. Yeah. Right away, I give it. Man.
So I said that I wanted to start my own company, choosing platform. I said, what is your idea? I don't know.
My God.
What are you passionate about?
Got the name food. Jonathan? Right. All me has a heart a race. You know, I feel like I just take jokes. Yo, people. Jamaica peanut are the best peanut in the world. Tell every little boy and tell girl. So me ask you to check out my brother, the Crocus Bag Farmer. Check out in YouTube. Check out in products. Because I'm natural. More life, more joy. Yeah, we're there Jamaica. Full joy. Yeah, we are full joy. Yeah, but a perspective, you know? Now I tell you, the peanut nice people. The peanut nice. Rastafari. Perspective, decency, but remember people, it's important to we forward a Jamaican put in our work. So don't be selfish in a life and think say because you make it certain way, you know, everything cool. I remember they used them, because I tell you the country I developed certain way. And you're going to be caught on the outside, looking in, wondering what happened. But you see, when you don't look and see the opportunities at your yard, you look over upon your neighbor yard, them say the grass greener over there, so. And you get trapped and get tired like some big heifer and some big old donkey. They call them jackals. And then you're old. And you can't do nothing for your country now yourself. And you have no one else. But the same people them will tie you out of bush. So now you're going like say you're a loyal farm animal. So me telling the people, remember where you come from, make plans for the youth them in the future. Because I see the improvement every time, every year, every 3 months. Yeah, it a move. So you can't sit down and go on like a fool and not get involved. Get involved, people, get involved. So you remember I'm Rastafari Soldier, you know? I'm right here on the rock. Yeah, I'm talking about Jack Rock. Because you know we don't touch no coke. And we don't touch no crack. And the highest meds with that one. Give me the highest grace. That is good for me. Lighting up my brain. That's my favorite tree. I love my marijuana. It's my favorite tea. Okay, I'm more alive. Spin the one around the world for my people, see? Yeah, the approach TV, remember that. You know where you see me. Knoxville's Express, transporting the best to Saint Best. Must stop at Galderville and let me have, because that's the closest my roll in, because I know film schedule that. But I show you say you can move from town to gutters. You cannot go alone. But you see me, how me travel, my life to travel with an expression of spirituality. And me see flight and see it here, me a forward right. All in a just sight. Look for the illumination when I get off of the night or the light. So you see Rastafari Soldier is illuminated and bright. So big up on yourself, stay safe. Yeah. I give it people them a look a break, because you know say me happy. Yeah, that means the YouTube is clapping. So we there yard. Yo, me soon see you abroad. That's enough. I want to give some of the highway, you know? You have to see me highway. Look for me highway. Look for me highway. You must say things say a byway. Or a chai way. You look here. Now for I don't know them highway, you know. Now for I don't know them highway from 2000 and when. You can see it's an invitation and I'm on a send. Remember it's Rastafari Soldier again. They broke TV. Yeah. You have to see me highway. You have to see me highway. I'm more from town right now, see? You can see. Kingston I'm more from right now. I'm reaching a man living. And so I'm reaching a girl living. So I'm reaching a girl living. I can jump in a same thing again. I reach a St. Best. There are two girls we are check before we get. Yo, we go check the king in a Kingston. You can see. And then we all check the girls down at Gandeville. And forward home at St. Elizabeth. And the High Queen we are going to link. You can see. Yeah. Proper. They approach TV. You know it's me. You want to see? Yeah. Rastafari Soldier. Your family me just reached down in a Galdeville area. Yeah, me still a travel all now. Me not telling no lie. Yeah, me still a travel all now. See there. Me reach down a Galdeville right now. Me dey a Galdeville. Now go over the bus park, the taxi park, and then I reach a St. Elizabeth. After I reach a St. Elizabeth, then I go touch the hills again. In? And then I wake up in the morning and show and say me guarantee, me warranty. A Jamaica me there. Yeah, bless up on yourself. See there? Mandeville Market. Yeah. Yeah, I'm there upon the end smile. Guarantee. Yeah. And I make like thing will stand up and I go and chill. Because all now I'm not reach it. You believe it or not, all now I'm not reach it. So we are going bust out a sweat. I burn one thing and build back my energy. Because the one when I burn up a New Kingston run out of me already because I make 2 walk. So right now I'm in a Mandeville town right now. I'm so rich on my sentiments. You know what I say? Serious. I say you go. Guarantee. It's simple. This is why General obviously I blew up. How am I? I saw him stick in your beat yesterday, General. See it there? So I'm sticking the man a beat.
Ketchup and pepper? Yeah,
Guarantee. Right in our place with it. A real grill man, me. So in a forward I'm on the but you know so I have to stop in it. Yeah. So you go see all the bread man over there. So the money I go straight down and send to it. I'm a place this up. If you have a big alligator upon him car then man. You know what I'm saying? But him name alligator upon him, if you have a big gate upon it. Dirty crocodile. See there.
Rasta.
More like me said, the thing not complete, but I'm in the street. Remember, you're tuning into Day Approach TV. I'm more life and I'm more joy. Yeah, and I'm more happiness. See? Yeah. A ninja thing. See? Mandeville, St. Amide. I roll into St. Elizabeth soon. Don't worry yourself.
Yeah.
Wonder what they wondering in America right now. Greetings, greetings. You know it's Rastafari Soldier. Yes, me finally reach one people. I love. I just want everybody to see it. It's late at night. What? About what? 10 o'clock now at night. What January me just reach. From 7 o'clock I travel. So if you turn it down now, so me I retire. Tomorrow we pick it up. Bless up yourself.